Alright, we're back for activity 5-3. So, we're going to go ahead and get into computer management and create a new user. And the name on this one is going to be VPN Test 1. And the password on that is going to be our standard password so far. And we're going to go with password never expires and create. And then click close and double click on here, go to our dial-in tab, click allow, and then I'm going to click apply. It just says to click OK in the book. Alright, so close out of that. And that was everything the book says to do on the server side. So let's get over to our Windows 8 PC, which I probably should have powered on. Take just a couple of seconds. Alrighty. Now that we're logged in, go to the desktop there, and open up our network and sharing. And then before we set up the new connection, I'm going to change the properties on the IPv4 and give it an IP address. Use the defaults on that and then leave the others blank. Alright. And then we're going to go ahead and set up a new connection. Connect to a workplace. Go next. Use VPN connection. Set up the internet connection later. Type in the address of our server. And then click create. Now, when we go over to our VPN connection here and click connect, it's going to ask for the username, which got to remember how they spell that on there. 411 server 1/ okay. Server 2 actually. And then the password we gave it. And then I'm going to click OK, and this one probably is going to fail with the error everyone had in the class. And then I'll go through the method I use to fix it. See? We have error code 800, so we quickly go over to our server 2 here, and go up to Tools, go down to Firewall and Advanced Security. Come over to our inbound rules, see the whole page. And we get ourselves down here to remote access. And we need to enable this one. And this one. And this one. And I enabled these two. I'm not necessarily sure that they have to be, but I think the book mentions them. Alright. So, firewall's enabled. Go ahead and close that. Let's get back over to our PC here. Click back, and let's try our VPN connection again. Alright, and as you can see, it worked this time. So now, let's go over to our VPN and click Details. And as you can see, we received 10.11.1.101 is the address from DHCP from server 2. Alright, and let me check to see what other steps they had in the book. So I think they had one more they wanted us to go through. Oh, just wanted us to see the IP address. Alright. They did want me to get into that in a different method by going through the network and connection setting one, which was you right click on Start and go up here to Network Connections, and then you can see VPN there. Right click and then go Status and then go Details, and then yeah. Alright, and that wraps up the recording.